In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Microsoft Teams calendar for 2025. This tool is designed to help you streamline your scheduling process and collaborate effectively with your team. So whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or just looking to make the most out of its calendar feature, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head to the official Microsoft Teams website. Once there, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll need to enter your login credentials to access your Teams account. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to create one for free, as it's essential for making full use of the Teams platform and its features. After signing in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Here you'll find a menu on the left side. Locate the calendar icon and click on it. This will bring up the new calendar interface, a crucial step in organizing your meetings and events efficiently. Once you are in the calendar, select the date you wish to schedule an event. You can do this by clicking on the date directly on the calendar. It's as simple as choosing the day and your focus will shift to that date. With the date selected, you'll see an option to add a new event. This is where you'll begin the process of creating your event or meeting. Begin by typing the title of your event. Make sure it's descriptive enough so that participants will know what to expect. A well-titled event can streamline communication and help others understand the significance of the meeting at a glance. Next, you'll want to add participants. Click on the People Who Were Invited option to access a list of contacts. Here, you can enter the emails of individuals you want to invite. This step is crucial as having the right people in your meeting ensures productive discussions and informed decision making. Once you've added your participants, click on Everyone to ensure the details are visible to all invitees. This transparency avoids any confusion regarding who is part of the meeting. Now it's time to save all your work. Click on the Save button to secure your newly created event. This finalizes the scheduling on your calendar and notifies invitees about the upcoming meeting or event. Lastly, you might want to share the event details with others who may need them. Click on the Copy option and you can easily paste the event info into an email or chat to share with anyone else who should be aware of the meeting but might not be directly invited. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated and utilized the Microsoft Teams calendar to schedule an event. Remember that a clear and organized calendar is a stepping stone to effective teamwork. So take a moment to explore any further features Teams might offer, and most importantly, integrate it into your daily workflow for maximum productivity. Thanks for watching.